Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Prius AC compressor. Before beginning, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt battery and wearing protective gear such as gloves and eye protection. You will need a few key tools, including a manifold gauge set, a vacuum pump, and of course, your new AC compressor. Make sure your Prius is securely lifted and supported on jack stands to provide safe and easy access to the compressor located underneath the vehicle. Next, you will need to safely discharge the refrigerant from your AC system. This requires a specialized recovery machine to prevent environmental release. Once the system is empty, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors and both the high and low pressure lines from the old compressor. Finally, locate and remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the AC compressor to the engine block, allowing you to carefully extract the old unit from its position. Now it is time to install your new AC compressor. Carefully position the new unit, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting points on the engine block. Reinstall the 3 mounting bolts, tightening them securely to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically around 18 to 22 foot-pounds. Finally, reattach both the high and low pressure lines and all electrical connectors, making sure they are snug and properly seated. For the final steps, you will need to evacuate the AC system using a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes. This removes all air and moisture, which is crucial for proper operation. Then, recharge the system with the correct amount of R134A refrigerant, usually around 1 pound or 16 ounces. Start the engine, turn on the AC to its coldest setting, and carefully check for proper cooling and any potential leaks using a leak detector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.